Oh, hello. Annalie here with Aryval. Today we're at the Evergreen School in Seattle, Washington at their open house. Let's go check it out.
My name is Emma Goldner-DeBeer, and I'm the Associate Director of Enrollment Management and Financial Aid at the Evergreen School. We use Aryval for tours as small as 2 families, and then we use it for our open house, which had over 200 families. We have found the experience to be just as seamless either way. And what's really nice about it too is the Aryval communications platform is so streamlined and so easy. If people can't come, they cancel, and then that spot opens up and we're able to get another family in. We saw an increase in families attending than we had last year, so that was really exciting. We continue to see our tour numbers go up. We're using the Aryval marketing element as well, and so we're seeing families who may not have thought to explore Evergreen are kind of in our pipeline, and they're showing up to events because it's so much easier to sign up.
Having data around acquisition channels and how families are finding us has been really interesting to see if they're coming directly from our website, if they're coming from our enrollment management hub, if they're coming from niche.com or social media, and seeing all of the different ways that families are discovering us has been helping us decide where we can lean in a little bit more and where we can target families a little bit more and where families just aren't engaging with us and where maybe we just spend all of that energy elsewhere.
We hear from families when they're confused, when they don't know how to sign up for a tour, when they can't find something on the website, and the fact that our team has not been fielding any of those questions this year is a really great sign.
The feedback that is probably coming the most is that it's very easy to understand what you need, how I'm going to get there, what time things start, everything like that. And then using the automated communication as well, they feel like they are really plugged in and they know what they need to bring on the day of or what to expect.
When we've had suggestions, you all have been really open to taking that feedback and incorporating it. I mean, most companies, right? They have sort of their platform and that's what they do, and they're not open to that feedback. You know, for you all, we had a suggestion, and I think a week later, you all had incorporated it. And that's really exciting, and it's really been wonderful to have that partnership.
For any other schools that are considering the switch to Aryval, one is that removal of a barrier in terms of having to create an account or sign into something. That's been a huge piece for us, just to make it easier for families to get to know us. Another thing is, if you are somebody who loves data and loves to be able to export data and see it displayed in a bunch of different ways, Aryval is a great platform for that because it's all right there for you. They have a dashboard built in. The other thing is, I'll just plug the Aryval team because the responsiveness of the Aryval team and working with them has been an absolute dream. It's been really nice to have a team that we know will answer our emails, answer our calls if we have a question about how to set something up or how to use the platform. It's been really incredible.